At Pazload, we offer 4 cordless finish nailers: the 16 gauge angled, 16 gauge straight, and 2 18 gauge straight brad nailers, the 1 strip and 2 strip. Our cordless finish nailers are driven by durable fuel-powered combustion engines. As with all combustion-powered equipment, it is vital to clean and maintain the tool to ensure high performance over time. Our finish nailers only need simple annual cleaning and maintenance you can perform yourself, and it only takes about 15 minutes. To clean the tool, you will need Pazload tool cleaner, Pazload cordless tool oil, a 9/64 Allen wrench, and a few shop rags. Pazload cordless tool oil is specially formulated for use in Pazload cordless tools. Using other lubricants may cause rapid combustion residue or result in premature part failure, so always make sure you are using genuine products. The process for annual cleaning is similar across all of our finish nailers. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to perform this maintenance on the cordless 16 gauge angled finish nailer. If you have the 16 gauge straight or one of our 18 gauge brad nailers, cleaning your tool will follow a similar process with only a slight variation at the start and slightly different tool layouts. Before you begin cleaning, remove the battery, fuel, and nails. Start by looking at the cap area of your tool. You will either see a black cap with exposed cap screws or an orange cap with small slots along the outside. If your tool has the slotted cap, start by using a flathead screwdriver to remove the cap. From this point, the process will be the same for all cordless finish nailers. Start by using the provided 9/64 Allen wrench to loosen the socket head cap screws on the cap assembly. Remove the spark plug wire and disconnect the wiring harness from the connector board. Now rotate the cylinder head assembly 1/8 turn clockwise and lift the cylinder head straight up from the tool. This will prevent the fan blades from being damaged. Next, remove the filter and clean it using the tool cleaner. Spray liberally, wipe dry, replace the cap assembly, and set aside. To clean the cylinder head assembly, spray the cylinder head with the tool cleaner. Allow the dirt and debris to drip off. Using a clean rag, wipe off any remaining cleaner or dirt. Check that the seal rings and spark plug are completely clean and free of debris. Then lubricate the seal rings with tool oil. Make sure to evenly apply the oil around the entire seal rings. Set the cylinder head assembly aside. To clean the motor assembly, push the piston assembly to the down position. Spray a liberal amount of tool cleaner into the sleeve and combustion chamber. Invert the motor assembly and let the excess tool cleaner and dirt drain out. Using a clean rag, wipe off any remaining cleaner or dirt. It may be necessary to repeat this step to remove any heavy deposits or remaining residue. With the motor assembly tilted up, squeeze 4 to 5 drops of oil into the sleeve in the combustion chamber. Rotate the tool while oiling to ensure the oil is evenly distributed around the sleeve and lip. Spread the oil using your fingertip. Open the quick clear nose and manually push the driver blade up. Then from the top, push the piston down. Repeat several times to evenly spread the oil in the sleeve. To reassemble your nailer, close the quick clear nose. Align the cylinder head tabs to the motor rotate the cylinder head 1/8 turn counterclockwise to lock it in place. Reconnect the wiring harness and spark plug wire, and check that the wires are completely installed into the orange retaining clip. Next, place the cap on top of the motor head assembly and tighten the socket head cap screws. Be careful to not pinch the wires. If applicable, reinstall the filter and the orange grill. Remember, only operate the tool with the cap screws securely attached. After the tool is completely assembled and all screws are tightened, test the tool for proper operation. During the first few shots, you might see some smoke come out of the exhaust ports. That's normal and should only last a few shots. If you experience any issues after cleaning, call Paslode Technical Support.